I'm Callum Mainstone, founder of Plithos Renewables. I formed the company in 2018 to apply a modular construction method using these blocks to renewable energies. I decided to focus on wave energy because it was a lagging industry behind solar and wind, but it has a tremendous potential to contribute to the decarbonisation of the electricity grid. The ocean is a powerful and uncompromising environment. Salt water and the up and down motion of the waves make for a difficult task in capturing energy with a device that can survive long term. The CSIRO found that Australia's waves are powerful enough to replace its electricity demand 5 times over. That's how big the potential is for wave energy. Scale is required to make wave energy commercially competitive with fossil fuels. Either the devices need to be big or they need to be mass produced. With this modular construction method, I've opted for smaller generators that can be built in workshops and dropped into the surf by a crane. One of the advantages with this modular construction method is the rapid design and iteration cycles. Within a couple of hours, I can have this thing from the backyard to the ute to the beach. After proving the design of the structure, I'll set up a hydraulic test rig to measure the power output in real-world conditions. After that, a pilot project will be built to actually produce electricity. Unlike the sun, waves roll in day and night, and when it's cloudy. This can provide a stable baseload power generation to replace coal-fired power stations without needing batteries.